Hi, my name is Dion.
Hi, my name is Bindi.
Hi, my name is Deanna.
Hi, my name is Diane.
Hi, my name is Elise Woods.
Hi, my name is Geraldine Williams.
Hi, my name is Tino.
Hi, my name is Sherry Dolans. Hi, my name is Eden.
Hi, my name is Deidre Gibbs.
Hi, my name is Alan Klump.
Hello, my name is Clarissa Brooks.
Hi, my name is Donna Alexander.
Hi, my name is Kelly, and I am mom to Lindsay and Lily. They're both just finished high school and heading off to college here in like 2 weeks. And we took this class to get certified together. And they're planning to use it as a part-time job to help pay for college. How do you think it went?
I think it went really good. I came in with no experience whatsoever, no background in anything medical.
Yeah, none of us knew anything.
And Miss Ortega really explained everything and made it flow really fast, and we got so much done in so little time that I'm surprised I was able to learn everything I did.
I'm going to be doing it as an empty nester, but Lily's going to college with Lindsay, and she's going to be looking for a job too.
Yeah, I mean, I was honestly really excited about the course even coming here. I was like, man, this is going to be so much better than any sort of part-time job. And what I really enjoyed about the class was the really encouraging environment and the way that Mr. Ortega was able to answer our questions and even help set up a plan for what to do after the exam, like with the next steps. And that's just really encouraging to me, especially being a young person going into this.
Yeah, that's one thing, because none of us had any experience. We all feel like even if we pass the test, which we think we will,
For sure.
we're nervous to start working because we feel like we wouldn't know what to do, and she took away that fear completely by saying after you pass, do this and do this and do this and you'll be set, and that was just a major relief. So we had a great time and give it big thumbs up.
Totally recommend.
The class was awesome. It was a 3-day class in Dallas. But Miss Ortega, she is great. Everything you see on the video, she's awesome. She's going to give you everything you need. I would do it all over again. Hopefully I never have to, but I am so prepared. You won't be disappointed.
Miss Ortega was amazing.
You don't know the warmth I felt from her.
That Ms. Ortega would drop everything, answer all your questions, make sure you understood everything clearly, and she completely prepares you not only for the test, but also for your interviews and what to do after you pass your exam.
Ms. Ortega, she is very diligent, not to mention is very structured. As a medical coder and biller, you have to be structured. And she breaks it down so well that it's a 1, 2, 3 process. She is a believer. She has no problems with mentioning her faith in God. And as a believer myself, He has led my footsteps to this place. And I'm so believing and knowing that not only will I pass my CPC, but I'm also going to move forward because she broke that down too in terms of career goals and just how much you can accomplish as being a medical coder.
I was overwhelmed by what I learned today. It was amazing the way she set up the class, the strategy they gave us was clear cut. They push you hard, but you learn so much, it's amazing. I wasn't expecting to learn what we learned as fast as we learned.
Really enjoyed myself in the class. Miss Ortega and her crew did an amazing job filling us with a lot of information.
Ms. Ortega is amazing. I really can't say enough. Watch her YouTube videos, all of them before you come. It gives you so much information.
I want to give her the utmost thanks and praise for her hard work and her sacrifice in teaching this course.
You know, without Miss Ortega in this class, I really feel like I'd be at ground zero still looking, what to do.
She's gonna reach everybody in the classroom, and she knows by her experience in teaching when somebody is still a little fuzzy, so she's able to get whatever point she's trying to drive home, completely drove home to where everybody in the class understands everything, and no one leaves this classroom not knowing what they need to know.
She is really a good teacher, but be careful, because she is a Marine drill sergeant, and she will tell you, leave your phones at home, but it was wonderful.
So I've been out of school a long time. I was really nervous about coming here. It's been a great experience. The most patient person. She loves Jesus, and I do too, so that made me feel a lot better, and I'd do it all over again.
Do I feel prepared for the test? Absolutely. I actually have a associate's in medical billing coding, and I went to college for about 10 months for that. And I learned more in this 3-day class.
I've taken this test twice before and I didn't pass. I've learned more in these 3 days than I have in 3 months.
First day, I was trying to figure out what I got myself into.
Miss Ortega kept saying it's going to fall in place, it's going to come together. As of yesterday, Saturday, things started coming around, and today was wonderful. Great foundation. She has laid great foundation for me, and I'm ready for my test.
I came in from Denver, so I traveled a long way, spent a lot of money, but in the long run, when you look at it, I looked at how long the courses were versus how much I have to spend in college and all of that, and this is the course to go to. The book she gives you is gold, the tabbing system, everything that you need to pass the test, which is your main goal. I mean, I would do it 100 times over, and I'm going to be coming back for more courses.
So if anybody's on the fence about taking this class, this is the place to come to get what you need.
I learned way more than I could have ever imagined, and I feel 100% that I'm going to pass. I would say to others, don't come unless you're ready, and it is a lot of work and a lot of sacrifice, but for the gain that you're going to get, it's worth it, and I love this class, and I love the program.
I can truly say it was a blessing, and I recommend this to anybody else, and I will be coming back for my next level.
She gives you all the confidence you need, and you really have nothing to worry about with the test and getting certified with her. I highly recommend the course to anybody, and that's actually how I ended up here, and so I want to pass on that great information to anybody else.
If that is your desire, if you're believing God for that, to even leading you and guiding you, then take the step of faith and come down to Dallas or wherever she's going to be, because she travels, and allow yourself to go greater and become more than what you would have ever thought yourself to become as a medical coder.
I feel very prepared for the test tomorrow. I'm confident I'm going to do well, and take a chance. It's worth it.
I vetted so many other courses, so many other colleges, and this is the one that's the shortest and has the most information and gives you exactly what you need for passing your examinations, which is all that the industry wants. So go out there, get it.
Traveled from New Orleans to Dallas to take Miss Ortega's 3-day course over here in Dallas for Medical Coding Academy. You know, I really didn't know what to expect signing up for the class. I have zero background in the medical field. My background's actually landscaping. And I got to a point in my life where I was looking for a change, and decided to look into medical coding. And after taking this class, I'm very excited to begin a new career field, not working outside so much and indoors. Being that I've never even looked at a medical code before, after the 3-day course, I feel very confident taking the national board exam. So if anybody's on the fence thinking about it, you know, looking at YouTube videos about the course, it is what it is. I mean, it's a very professional program, and everybody here is very professional, and I can't speak nothing but highly about the program and recommend it to anybody who's either in this field already or is looking for a completely new change in life. They give you the tools to succeed, and anyone who's in that position like I am right now, don't be afraid to travel to Dallas or to the nearest city near you, because this is a real opportunity for a new career and a new field. And I can't thank her enough for doing what she's doing. So thank you.
I suggest that anybody interested in medical coding, find her website, find her on Facebook, find her on LinkedIn, whatever entity. Ms. Ortega is the go-to person for medical coding. I am so blessed to have come across this site. I did find it at the last minute, but I'm so grateful that I did get signed up in time to take this course, and I don't regret a moment of it. It is a lot of sacrifice, a lot of lost sleep, but the gain that I'm going to get from taking this course has opened up a lot of opportunity, and based on the information that I've gathered from taking the course and the next steps thereafter. So anyone interested in taking a medical coding course, do your research on Medical Coding Academy. It's well worth it.
It was an honor.